welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Primal Challenge Part 3. And guys, this is the series, and I'm probably gonna make a playlist of this. So guys, I'll see you in the match. Now, I'm in the match. So guys, look at the beautiful Fortnite world where people kill and I dance. It's very early in the morning. It's at 4 a.m. So even though it's like daytime, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna land Catty Corner again. It's sort of becoming popular because no one ever lands super soon. But it's never gonna be popular again, I don't think. Yes, it's a primal weapon. Yep. You didn't even, oh shoot. Oh shoot, I accidentally shot. Nice to get the kill. A monster truck again. This is 100% better start off than last video. It took me, and I'm literally only finding primal weapons. Last video I couldn't find a single primal weapon till like 5 minutes in. No! Guys, I'll see you in the next match. I'm in it now. Guys, I am in the match now. Hopefully we get a good start off again. And I cannot jump. I was like they're having a party in the battle bus. Party in the battle bus. People are winning Catty Corner again. I love making the Primal series. So guys, if you want to see more videos of the Primal series, please go subscribe. I'll probably make one every day after I make the first video with Ronan or Gavin. I haven't made a video with Gavin in a very long time. Or maybe we should do a part 2 on the race. Muddy Boots. This man named Muddy Boots was the first to die. Second to die was Primle. And then, overtime 46. Wow. Well, already 7 people have died. Oh no. 2 people just died! What? Please make this a good match. A recycler? I guess I could use it. Only because it's because at least it's purple. Wow! Wow! Maybe a recycler. This is actually starting off a pretty good game. Even though we're only 6 minutes in and we still haven't. Wait, we did make a monster. We are about to make a monster truck. Because we have to make a monster truck in these series now. Don't steal my minis, girl. You know what? You won't be alive. You barely hit me. You only shot me like once. And that didn't even do any damage. Because I could just give it back. I only had to drink 2 minis to get all that. I need fish. It only gave me 1 flopper. Found out. It's just 1v1v1. And who will win? It's gonna be me. Or it's gonna be that guy. I honestly don't know yet. I think it's gonna be. Oh my! How did I win? For real? I'm one tap. I'm literally one tap. I think I'm one tap. Go, 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 go. Can't believe I won that. I got boots and cat. Maybe I'll do a cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck-a-doodle-doo. 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 Butt cheeks in the air. I'm gonna kill these people over there. See if I'm not in the people. I'm getting a lot of mushrooms. It's 6 bananas. Eat them all. Get the corn. Eat them all. Eat the pepper. No. Eat it all. Take the mushrooms. Do not eat it all. Pass the flopper. Do not take him. I think I killed everyone at Caddy Corner. What? I didn't even leave Caddy Corner and there's barely any players. mushrooms. More mushrooms. I think I have enough mushrooms to survive. And then I took fall damage. A supply drop already came down. I might actually come in the top 10. That's what I think. I'm gonna come in the top 10. And never eat a small fry if you subscribe. Because my son is small fry. I'm not gonna get the supply drop. Because it's... This is actually not a really bad, this is honestly not a bad game. Why didn't I take the monster truck? I'm not going back there. If you hear anything, that's just my sister and mom in the back. And they're just playing together. They play crazy games. So, and you can see them both on my channel. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to give me good luck. And like and subscribe to give me and my team good luck. And like the video if you haven't already, guys. And that's just my dad walking away. He'll probably be in a video once he gets good at Fortnite. They're yelling trauma if you can't hear them. Oh my goodness. I'm moving around so no one can snap me. I'm out. That was not me who just blew that up, dude. Come on, fire. That far. Oh my goodness, I killed that frog first try. It's a frog from nowhere. That's probably a okay. That guy just got ran over a car when I wasn't doing it. Oh, guys. Well, probably I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Guys, I'm probably gonna wrap it up for today. Guys, just please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Look, I got that new email. I didn't see it. Where is Boots and Cat? Where are the Boots and Cat? Do I have to go find it? Yeah, Boots and Cat. Boots and Cat Boots.